Hi guys, I hope you are all doing well. Let's see today's question. So today's question we are taking this up from the topic of limits. And if I talk about the question which is given to us here from this topic, the question tells us to find the limit of y tends to 0. Numerator it is given to us is root of 1 plus y raised to 4 minus root 2 and divided by y raised to 4. So we have been asked to find the limit of this entire expression. And the first option, if I see, it says that the limit exists and that's equal to. So exists and the answer for that limit is 1 upon 2 root 2. Second option tells us that the limit exists and that is equal to 1 upon 4 root 2. Third option, it tells us that the limit exists and the answer for that is 2 root 2, 1 plus root 2. And the last option, it tells us that the limit does not exist. So let's figure out which one of the answer choices matches with the question here. So if I try to solve this idea, so if I just put my limit of y that is equal to 0, I get this as 1 plus, if I try to solve it here only, I get that as root of 1 plus root of 1 because y is 0, so root of 1 plus 0 is root of 1 minus root 2 upon 0 raised to 4 which is 0. So you get this as root of 1 is 1, so root of 1 plus 1 that is root 2 minus root 2, so you get 0 by 0 form. And when you get this 0 by 0 form, which is an indeterminate form, what I can use here is L hospital. So if I use the L'Hopital's rule here to solve my limits further, what I can do is I can take the separate derivative of the numerator and separate derivative of the denominator. So what happens is, if I take the derivative of the denominator, so root of 1 plus y raised to 4, it becomes 1 upon 2 root of 1 plus root of 1 plus y raised to 4 into derivative of 1 plus root of 1 plus y raised to 4. So derivative of 1 is 0 plus derivative of root of 1 plus y raised to 4 is again 1 upon 2 root of 1 plus y raised to 4 into derivative of 1 plus y raised to 4 which is 4y minus derivative of root 2 which is 0, the whole thing divided by derivative of y raised to 4 which is 4y cube. So you get this entire expression, and if I see the next step, it would become 1 upon 2 root of 1 plus y raised to 4 into 1 upon 2 root of 1 plus y raised to 4 into 4y cube. This is whole divided by 4y. So you get this, that 4y cube gets cancelled out. You are left with only this thing now. And here we also have limit of y tends to 0. So once I have this limit of y tends to 0 here also, if I write that down. Now if I put the value of y as 0 here, let's see what I get. So 1 upon 2 root of 1 plus root of 1 plus 0, so 1 into 1 upon 2 root of 1 plus 0 raised to 4 which is 0. So you get this as 1 upon 2 root of 1 plus square root of 1 is 1. So 1 plus 1 is 2. So you get 1 upon 2 root 2 into 1 upon 2 root of 1 is 1. If I solve this further, I get this as 1 upon 2 root 2 into 2, which is 1 upon 4 root. So you get this answer, and if you see the answer choice that matches here is option B. So B becomes the correct answer, that the limit exists and the value for that is equal to 1 upon 4 root 2. Answer is B. So you get the correct answer for the question, and that matches with option B. I hope you have understood how to solve this type of questions on limits. So this was a pretty easy question where they asked us whether the limit exists or not, and if it exists, what is the value of this. So I just put y as 0 first. I got an indeterminate form 0 by 0. Then I used L'Hopital's rule to find the derivative of numerator and denominator separately. Then once we found the derivative, it was happening here that 4y cube got cancelled, and once 4y cube got cancelled, you do not have that indeterminate form. So you just put the value of y as 0 and solve for the limit, and you understand that the limit exists also, as well as the value for that is equal to 1 upon. So you get the answer for the question as option B. I hope you have understood how to solve this type of questions. I'll see you again tomorrow with some other question from some other topic. And we are going to continue our series of questions on 11, 12 as well as JEE mains. So stay tuned for more videos to roll out. Also, do like, share and subscribe to my channel. Do share these videos with your friends who are involved in the preparation of questions on JEE, so they can also take the benefit from these questions which we are solving on everyday basis. Thank you.